Let's draw the shark family. Hello kids! Today we are going to draw and color a shark family together. Let's start with the baby shark. That's right, baby shark. Let's take our pencil and start drawing. Here is his body, his little fins. Another fin, his little nose, and a round big eyes. Now we are going to draw the mommy shark. That's right, mommy shark. We draw her body, her fins, her little nose, and big round eyes. Draw with me. Oh, don't forget to draw her eyelashes too. Now, let's draw the grandma shark. Don't forget to draw her little glasses too, and her round eyes. She's got a beautiful smile. Amazing job! Let's draw a mustache. I think that's Grandpa Shark. That's right, Grandpa Shark. He's got a white mustache and round eyes. And finally, let's draw Daddy Shark.
Okay, kids, I'll be super happy if you hit the like, but if you don't, I might draw funny faces on everything. So, please, hit the like.
Excellent job! Don't forget to draw his little teeth too. They are sharp. Now our drawing is complete. Let's color our sharks. I'm so ready. We'll start with the baby shark. Let's color its eyes black. That's right, black. Now let's use yellow for its body. Great job! Yellow is perfect.
Hey kids, come on, right down here. One like. One amazing drawing. What are you waiting for?
Now it's time to color the mommy shark. Let's start with black for her eyes and beautiful eyelashes. That's right, black. Now, what color should we use for her body? How about pink? That's right, pink. A beautiful pink shark. Well done! Don't forget to color her lips too. They are red. Yes, red it is. Now it's the Grandpa Shark's turn. Look at his white mustache and eyebrows. Let's use black for his eyes and a beautiful green color for his body. That's right, green. Take your green color and start coloring with me. I love the Grandpa Shark. He is so funny. Now let's move on to the Daddy Shark. Let's color his eyes black. What color should we use for his body? What do you think? That's right, blue. Let's color him blue. You color along with me. We are having so much fun. And finally, we come to our kind Grandma Shark. Kids, after coloring her eyes black, it's time for her body. Let's start coloring with orange. That's right, orange. Grandma Shark loves the color orange. Our baby shark is yellow. Mommy Shark is pink. Grandpa Shark is green. Daddy Shark is blue. And Grandma Shark is orange. You know the colors. Now let's add some shadows. How about some bubbles? Yes, let's draw some bubbles. Ta-da! We did this! To see more videos, subscribe to our channel and like the video. See you soon!